This is not China. This is not America. This is Ghana. And what you're about to see is a robotic welding machine being built from scratch. Not assembled, not imported. Step by step, metal by metal, right here at Kantanka. Watch closely because this is something most people don't believe is possible. We are now inside the Kantanka machine shop. This is where everything begins. No shortcut here, no guesswork, just raw materials, machines, and skilled hands at work. Right now, the radial drilling machine is in action. You can see the metal being positioned carefully. And look at who is operating it. A woman. She aligns the metal, she checks the position, and then she drills. This is where the process starts, precision from the beginning. At Kantanka, every step matters, every measurement matters, every cut matters. Now we move to another section. The men are working on the shaft arm. This part is very important because this shaft is what will allow the robot to turn. Without this, there is no movement. They shape it, they adjust it, they refine it, making sure it is perfectly aligned. From here, we move to the keyway section. Now, this part may look small, but it is very important. Keyways help different parts lock together. Without keyways, the machine cannot function properly. Now the shaping machine is working, cutting into the metal, forming the exact grooves needed. Everything is done carefully. Now look, it is spinning the shaft, cutting it, shaping it into its final form. This is where raw metal becomes a working component. At the same time, a plate is being drilled. Holes are being created. These will later hold parts of the robot together. And again, you can see a woman working on the shaft. This one will go into the motor. This is what will help power the robot. At Kantanka, women are not watching. They are building side by side with the men, working, contributing, creating. Now look at the materials. Everything you see here is from Ghana. These are local metals, shaped here, measured here, built here. And before all this work begins, every measurement is written down. Every design is drawn on paper. Nothing is done by guess. Now we move forward. You can see the ball bearings. These are used to reduce friction. They allow smooth movement so that the machine can rotate easily. Now the shaft is placed into position. This forms the base of the machine. This holds everything together. Now the vernier caliper is used. Measurements are checked again. Everything must be accurate because if it doesn't fit perfectly, it will not work. Now the top plate is placed. It holds the shaft in the center. The keyway is inserted, allowing the shaft to turn properly.
Yata Apostle Safo Kantanka, Yangi Faudi, every abroad with him. Bisonia show me, was show my gun. When you show me, was show my gun. When you show me, was show my gun. When you show me, was show Apostle Kwadwo Safo. When you show me, was show Apostle Kwadwo Safo. Africa, Ghana, you're my baby, Africa. You're my baby, Africa. Ghana, you're my baby, Africa. When you show me, we show my gun. When you show me, we show my gun. Yasuni penina, wafan kami, koko demo, timba mi boxside. Nasu wenu mnyinechino mai gususi ya mpini. Wenu mnyinechino Afrika gususi ya mpini. Timumi mfodo, niemo obra papa, niemo obra papa, niemo pejo wame. Yata Apostle Safo Kantanka, niemo pejo wame. Yangi Faudi.
Now you can see it. The structure is forming. The machine is coming together. The team begins testing. They adjust. They observe. They correct. Now you can see movement. Slowly but clearly. The machine is starting to respond. Pins are now fixed into place, securing everything. And now, a car arrives. Apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka is here. He steps in. He looks at the machine. He checks the work. He gives instructions. He corrects where necessary because every part of this machine follows his design. Now we move to the control panel. This is the brain of the robot. This is what controls its movement. This is what gives it direction. Now the wiring begins. Every wire is carefully connected and then placed inside black tubes for protection. Now the final stage. The machine is sprayed, giving it a clean, finished look.
Africa, Ghana, you're my baby, Africa.
And now the name is placed, Cananka. And now look at it. A complete robotic spot welding machine, built from scratch. It is now working, moving, performing exactly as designed. This is not theory. This is real. This is Ghana. This is Cananka. Africa is not just consuming technology anymore. Africa is building.
Say African star.